we'll go to another concept called as average directional movement index. So average directional movement index is a very very powerful way to understand the sentiment. तो सबको पता है कि ट्रेंड के साथ काम करना है, राइट? ट्रेंड के साथ काम करना है, ये हमें पता है. बट नाउ ट्रेंड जो है कितनी मजबूत है वो हमें जानना जरूरी है. बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट नो दैट यस दिस प्राइस इज ट्रेंडिंग, बट हाउ स्ट्रांग इज द ट्रेंड, so that is something which is provided by average directional movement index. So this average directional movement index is derived from directional movement index which is called as DMI. DMI जो है आपको बताता है कि उस सिक्योरिटी का डायरेक्शन कहाँ पर है. तो if it is positive you have got a positive DMI, if it is negative you got a negative DMI. And DMI gives you an idea about the trend and it tells you exactly what is the move, where is the movement headed, is it headed up, is it headed down, so you get an understanding. So it is derived from the price action. So जो भी price action होता है, right, जो भी price action होता है उससे हम derive करते हैं of the movement. ठीक है. So now when you're going to take a look at the overall movement, right, so you got to see that the overall movement which is happening, okay, is a positive directional index. So आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे positive directional index. As you can see here that positive directional index is based on the price going higher. आज एक हाई बनाया, कल दूसरा हाई बनाया, तो मतलब है कि यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट हो रहा है. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पॉजिटिव DMI. ठीक है. तो पॉजिटिव DMI जो है आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव DMI, द ग्रीन लाइन इज गोइंग अप. उसके क्या वैल्यूज है और उसे कैसे देखना है उस पर हम गौर करेंगे, बट दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ पॉजिटिव DMI. नाउ इन द सेम वे यू हैव गॉट नेगेटिव DMI व्हेन the lows are made on 2 successive days. All right, when lows are made on 2 successive days, then it is called as a negative DMI. So positive DMI, negative DMI, ये हमेशा चलता जाएगा. Positive DMI, negative DMI चलता जाएगा. But then it will come to a level where it will start gaining some importance. So we will go and study on that. And when you take the negative DMI and the positive DMI for the past 14 period, and you plot it on the chart, you will get a very good idea. So, okay, so you will get a very good idea now, and you will be able to participate in a very good way. You can see here that this particular move is having a decline, and then you can see here that the entire price move which is emerging यहाँ पर काफी strong है और यहाँ से यहाँ पर move आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. So what is it signaling? It is signaling that the overall price action is very, very negative. And the moment it stops going down, the DMI comes down. Got it? The DMI comes down when the prices stops going down. In the same way reverse, when the prices stops going up, the DMI relaxes. Then again when it starts making a new low, again the DMI comes up. Getting it? Now if you see here, when both of them are put together, this is called as DI dominance. यानी DI dominance यानी which DI is stronger? Is negative DMI stronger or positive DMI stronger? कौन सा DMI is having the charge? I hope all of you are getting it. Negative DMI, positive DMI का war चलते जाएगा. तो हमें देखना है कि कौन सा, अगर पॉजिटिव DMI ऊपर है that means that the trend is positive. All right, so let's see here positive DMI, then again negative DMI. Always at the end of your chart, you will be able to track the DMI. हमारे पास है average directional index. So this was a concept developed by Wells Wilder. He was the one who developed RSI. So he developed this to give us an idea of the trend strength. So it's also known as the trend strength indicator. And what it does is it takes clues from the entire concept of DMI. So पूरे DMI से clues लेने के बाद आपको पता चलता है कि ये overall strength जो है. So ADX is never positive or negative. Okay. ADX is not positive or negative. ADX is just says how strong is the trend. Got it? It tells you how strong is the trend. Which trend? Uptrend or downtrend? Uptrend shown by positive DMI, downtrend shown by negative DMI. So when an ADX is made available, what ADX does is it gives you a very good idea of what we need to do in this particular stock. अगर ADX strong है, ADX अगर slope कर रहा है, तो वो all these are lines. These are lines which keep moving up and down. So the slope of the ADX is very important. So when you get the ADX value, you will see that the standard practice is to have the value it will be an absolute value. So plus DMI, minus DMI and ADX will all have positive value. Now that value should go above 25. So first the DMI will rise, then the ADX will rise. Okay. Now when the ADX is below 25, that means that there is absence of trend. When ADX is above 25, it says that the strength is on. When ADX is above 25 and rising, that means that the trend is very strong. And ADX 25 के ऊपर जाने के बाद it starts coming down. That means that the particular trend which is on, whichever trend is on, sell or buy, then that particular trend is becoming weak. Got it? So अगर ADX ऊपर चले गया और गिरने लगा, so that means agar at that point in time, if the prices were falling, that means that the fall could now come to an end. If ADX is going up and then the price are rising and then ADX वहां से turn होता है, that means that the rise could come to a halt. So that is the message which is given by ADX, and that's why it's very, very useful. I use it every day in my trading because it gives you very good clarity on what kind of trend is going to emerge. It gives you the confidence, right? हम सब ढूंढते रहते हैं कि वो कहाँ से हमें confidence मिलेगा, कहाँ से हमें इस particular trade में बने रहना है, उसके लिए confidence मिलेगा. That is when ADX helps. And there are other ways to use ADX which we will discuss in few moments from now. So let's go and take a look. Okay, you can see here that it is calculated by the difference between the DMI divided by the sum of the DMI over the last 14 period. Last 14 period को हम consider करते हैं and then we arrive at the ADX value. So basically, whenever a candle is forming, all right, so this is one candle and if this is another candle, so basically ये आपका high है, ये आपका low है, ये आपका high है और ये आपका low है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है? It has made a higher high. Now, in the same way, if a candle is forming like this, all right? So, high, low, high, low. So, in this case, it has made a lower low, right? So, this is called as a higher high. This is called as a lower low. Clear hai, sab log? Can you type CLR on the chat? So, ये नॉर्मल पैटर्न है प्राइस एक्शन का. तो इसको स्टडी करते हुए, राइट, दिस पर्टिकुलर मूव फ्रॉम द हाई टू द लो इज कॉल्ड एज अ रेंज. तो दिस ये जो मूवमेंट है इसको ट्रैक करते हुए एक इंडेक्स बना है. ओके, नाउ इफ इट इज गोइंग अप, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्लस DMI या इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्लस DI. अगर नीचे आ रहा है और इफ इट इज कमिंग डाउन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज माइनस DMI और माइनस DI. ओके, नाउ इन दोनों का एक एवरेज निकाल के एक चीज बना है कॉल्ड एज ADX. All right. So basically ADX is a smoothing of plus DI and minus DI. तो अगर आप एक चार्ट पर देखेंगे तो आपको ADX कुछ इस तरह नजर आएगा. आपका माइनस डी आई इस प्रकार होगा और आपका प्लस डी आई ऐसा होगा. तो दिस विल बी योर प्लस डी आई, this will be your minus di, and this will be your adx. So this represents strength. Okay, this is the direction. So when you are tracking the price action, if price is coming down, then minus di will go up. Okay, then minus di will go up. Minus di will go up when basically everything is going up. All right, everything is going up. Either plus di goes up or minus di goes up. But जब ADX भी ऊपर जाएगा, those are the ones that are in trend. Why? Because हम सब कहते हैं कि trend is my best friend, right? हम सब कहते हैं trend is my best friend. तो trend is your best friend when the ADX also supports. वरना क्या होगा? थोड़ा movement होगा, फिर रह जाएगा, right? So now ADX helps a lot. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out how this particular tool, okay, how this particular tool is going to help us do some swing trading. So now first let's try and understand what is swing trading. Okay, let's try and understand what is swing trading. So when I'm going to talk about swing trading, so let's see what are the key characteristics of swing trading. So if you see here in swing trading, the first thing what you got to know about is that the first thing is what is the time horizon, because सबको अपना अपना टाइम हॉराइजन पे काम करना है. तो पहला चीज है कि क्या टाइम हॉराइजन में हम काम करेंगे, क्योंकि जो स्विंग ट्रेडर्स है दे वांट टू ट्रेड फॉर मोर देन वन डे. Okay, they want to trade on more than one day. So that is why people prefer to go for swing trading. Then if they know that yes, the momentum is there, then they can actually capture the gains by holding on to the position for multiple days. हम बहुत चाहते हैं कि we take on the trade and do a multi-day trade, क्योंकि I know many of you out there are busy in job or busy in business, but you don't have time to look at the markets on a day-to-day basis. So that is where swing trading will help. And basically a swing trader wants to participate in the direction of the trend. So now for a trend is a very important aspect of for a swing trader. So that's where he will be able to understand that okay, which trend is emerging, and he'll be able to focus on that trend better. Now while you are going to hold on a position for multiple days, आपका risk management भी बहुत critical है, right? How many of you are suffering from risk management? आपको पता नहीं है कि कैसे रिस्क मैनेज करना है, या ओके, या so many people are saying that you do not know how to manage your risk, right? So that is also a very critical aspect of swing trading. Now another thing why swing trading is popular amongst many people is that you can apply it to many financial instruments, plus you can decide to hold your position and choose to buy at different points in time based on your idea about the trend. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि सिर्फ ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग नहीं करना है, आपको पुल बैक ट्रेडिंग भी कर सकते हैं. आपको यू कैन कैरी ऑन योर पोजिशन ऑल्सो, and then you can use it across multiple instruments because of the flexibility, and also it gives you the ability to trade on pullbacks, right? Now for that you need to have a defined approach.